Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
I'm Eric Blackmon of EricBlackmonGuitar YouTube. In the past few years, we have lost some of the greatest rock, R&B, and pop music icons who ever lived. Here are just a few of them. In honor of these great artists and others, I have compiled a playlist of YouTube guitar tutorials made up of their songs. Hopefully, this will make it a little easier to keep this great music alive. Use the links in and below this video to get started learning to play songs by these great artists. Thanks for watching Eric Blackmon Guitar.